Come test drive the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.